up, I am on my way, I'm in motion.
Hi lovelies, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. We're just picking up this vlog from last night where I just cleaned up and prepared for today's lunch. So I tried to get up early this morning just to pack up and help my husband, because on this particular day they were leaving the house a lot earlier than they usually do. So what I tried to do is I just tried to prepare and pack up all the lunch and start breakfast, so that when he comes he just turns on the stove and pours some hot water in a cup that is already filled up with hot chocolate and sugar, and and just add milk. I'm also trying to pack something that I'm going to have for lunch later in the day, because I usually don't eat breakfast. So I found this cheddar cheese straws, but I didn't eat it this particular day. I brought it back home. I just took it just in case. It's been in this box of goodies for like 2 months and nobody has touched it. Anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and pack the lunch for the day and just prepare breakfast halfway so that my husband can take over the rest. Alright, so quick check-in. How is everyone doing? I hope we are all preparing for Christmas. Thank you so much for your support yesterday. I asked that you please share my content, and some of you indicated that you would. Someone even said, that she had already gone ahead to share it last week or a couple of days ago. My heart blesses you. Thank you so much to everyone who did. And so my first shout out goes to Aderunke Osho. Thank you so much, sis. She was the one who left a comment to say that she actually gone ahead to share my content already. Thank you so much. My heart blesses you. I'm deeply grateful. Thank you. My second shout out goes to this lovely lady, Koposeka Kapane. Thank you so much for this comment that you left yesterday. It touched me, really. I actually put it up on my community page because this is kind of thing that I have been striving for with this channel ever since I have been led to go in a different direction with my channel, and making the change to stop talking about what I used to talk about and change the focus of my channel. God has just been surprising me and giving me a fresh community. I will definitely be speaking about this in the course of Vlogmas. So what I'm grateful for today, this should have been one of my first things that I'm grateful for, is the gift of salvation. Honestly, I'm grateful that I have Christ. I'm grateful that I have his love and that he thought me worthy enough to die for. I'm grateful for that. So keeping up with our Christmas challenge, we are considering the book of Luke 11 in today's vlog. And in this chapter, we just see Jesus, teach on how to pray. This is where he gives us the Lord's Prayer. You must have heard of it. The Lord's Prayer, our Father who art in heaven, that one. Yeah. We also see Jesus talk in a parable where he gives the parable of the persistent friend. This is the parable where a friend goes to meet another friend in the middle of the night to say that, he had a friend who had come from a long journey and needed bread. Now, obviously, the one that had the bread was already in bed, and the whole family was asleep. And the asker continued to ask, and the one that had the bread said, if I don't stand up and give this my bread, it will weary me, it will tire me. Let me just get up and give him this bread. So because of his persistence, he got what he wanted. Now, we also see Jesus cast out the demon from a man, and the people that saw were like, which power is this Jesus using to heal and cast out demons? That he must be using a familiar spirit, like a strange spirit. He also talked about the sign of Jonah, where he was referring to his death and resurrection, accusing the people of being sign and wonder seekers. It was also in this chapter that Jesus came for the Pharisees. They've been coming for him. He gave it back to them. In fact, he accused them of being hypocrites and that their Christianity was outward, that they didn't really build up themselves spiritually, but they were just pious and, this carry me kind of Christianity. I don't know how to explain that, but yeah, that was what Jesus was basically saying to them. So how are you guys coping with your challenge? How are you getting on with the reading? Let's share in the comment section. I would love to see how you guys are getting on. Anyway, everything is all packed now. My husband's food is all packed, and I'm just putting my son's food here so that he can put it in the microwave, and he's just going to put hot water in his thermos so that the food stays hot up until lunchtime. I honestly like to do this every single morning, but it's not realistic, and it's only if I had time in the night before to prep and actually get everything sorted. That's the only way my kitchen is clean and maintained like this. If not, it's a mess, and we just deal with it up until everyone gets back. So I'm all packed and I'm ready to go to work. I like to target 5 minutes. It takes about 5 minutes drive to get to work, and so that's how long it takes. I don't really like to go early. Some people like to do so. Unless NHS starts paying me 5 minutes or 10 minutes before my time, or even 15 minutes before my time, yes, I'll start going early. But until then, I will clock in at exactly the time I'm supposed to clock in, because they don't give me extra, so I'm not giving extra. Anyway, after work, I'm just stopping by at this store. It's a husband and wife owned store. They are very chatty, very lovely people. Enjoy our conversation. Hello.
How are you?
I'm alright. You?
Yeah, good. Cold.
It is cold. I've come in for some jackets. Now, what if I record myself?
Of course you can. You can record me if you like.
When I asked the man if I could record myself, he said, of course you can. I can even record him if I wanted to. And his wife said he should start belly dancing. That was what was funny. £2.50. There you go. How much are the locust beans?
$2.49.
Thank you. I'll pay with my phone. Oh, you have a minimum, don't you?
£3.
Let's see what I can. Oh, parsley here. I'm about to make another chimichurri. Have you tried that one before?
What's that?
Chimichurri.
Chimichurri.
Chimichurri is like a sauce. I think I'll take two. I'll take two of them.
You smell lovely. You always smell lovely, you do.
Do I?
Always.
That's a nice compliment.
£4.9p, you lovely girl.
Thank you.
409, confirm.
Thank you.
See?
You just stick it in there.
No problem.
Thank you.
Cheers, darling.
Bye.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too. Honestly, I find it amazing that I caught that on tape, but I would highly recommend us here any day, anytime. Go on their website. They still have their 50% sales ongoing, and it lasts up until the 31st of December. Let's go home and cook. Let's go home and cook. Just as I was about to head home, I just realized that I bought my children's teachers presents, but I didn't buy a gift bag. So I'm just going to stop by here at Card Factory and pick up some. I saw these ones on the side. These ones, they said they were 3 for £2. So I took 3 of them and I went to pay. It's actually quite nice, and I love the fact that they look like the children actually pick them out. I don't want the children to see because children get too excited sometimes. Anyway, I buy that and I'm making my way down to Heron Foods. I want to get cheese. I need it for the jacket potato that I bought, and yeah, I just want to buy that and then I'll make my way home. I'm not going to be vlogging tonight because Shiloh's on, and I just wanted to maximize that time, so I'm going to be ending the vlog anytime soon. But I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching and commenting. Your support is massive. Like this community is great. Thank you so much, and keep sharing, keep liking, keep commenting. Don't forget to let me know what you're grateful for in the comment section. I love to read you guys comments regarding what you're grateful for and what you found with your Christmas challenge. Thank you so much to everyone who has watched up until now. My gratitude knows no bounds. Thank you guys. So enjoy this view from our city center. This is what they currently have in the city center. It doesn't look grand, but they say it makes a huge difference at night. Like if you look at it at night, I don't see what difference it will make, except the fact that okay, yeah, you can see that there's something in the way. Anyway, I'll see you guys in day 13.